I get this question all the time. Devin, how do you know if your content calendar is helping your faceless channel stay consistent or forcing weak topics onto the schedule? Simple. A good calendar organizes strong ideas. A bad calendar defends weak ones just because a date exists. Here's the rule I use. Your calendar should hold publishing slots, not lock in mediocre topics. 3 things to check. First, score every topic before it gets scheduled. I use 3 filters: demand, fit, and freshness. Is there clear viewer interest? Does it fit what your channel is known for? And does it add a new angle, not just filler? If a topic is weak in 2 out of 3, it should not own a date. Second, track how often better ideas show up after you've already planned the week. If your calendar makes you ignore stronger topics just to stay organized, the system is hurting you. Third, use a kill rule. If you can't come up with a decent title, thumbnail angle, and first 15-second hook pretty quickly, the topic probably isn't ready. Best practice, keep 2 buckets. Fixed upload dates, flexible topic choices. That's how you stay consistent without forcing bad videos. If you want to manage that backlog and swap logic cleanly, that's exactly where Satura helps. So don't commit to topics too early. Commit to publishing, then earn the topic slot with quality.